Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English using AI tools. AI offers incredible opportunities to personalize your language journey. You can practice speaking and writing with instant, constructive feedback, helping you correct mistakes in real time. These tools also make it easier to expand your vocabulary and refine your pronunciation, adapting to your specific needs and learning pace. It's like having a dedicated tutor available 24 hours a day. Let's look at some specific tools. AI chatbots are fantastic for engaging in natural conversations, helping you build fluency and confidence. For writing, AI assistants can instantly correct grammar, suggest stylistic improvements, and even help you rephrase sentences. And to perfect your accent, speech recognition applications provide precise feedback on your pronunciation, highlighting areas for improvement with great accuracy. To get the most out of AI, set achievable daily goals for your practice sessions. Don't rely solely on AI. Integrate it with traditional methods like reading books or watching English movies. Always take time to review the feedback provided by AI tools. Understanding your mistakes and tracking your progress is crucial for continuous improvement and building a strong foundation in English. For advanced learning, try engaging with AI for role-playing scenarios, simulating real-life conversations and situations. You can also explore AI-powered translation tools to understand complex texts or articles, expanding your comprehension. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot Smart Speaker and other great deals. These tools offer a dynamic and interactive way to master English, making your learning journey both effective and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.